What if I told you the biggest threat to humanity isn't war or disease, but artificial intelligence? AI isn't just learning, it's evolving faster than we can control.
Top tech experts and executives are issuing a new warning about the potential dangers of artificial intelligence.
Musk warns about artificial intelligence, called more dangerous than nuclear weapons.
With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon.
Experts are warning us, but are we already too late? In just a few decades, AI has gone from simple algorithms to machines that can think, learn, and even create. It started small, chess-playing programs, self-driving cars, digital assistants. But now, AI writes books, diagnoses diseases, and even predicts crimes before they happen. Think about it. Right now, AI decides what news you see, what ads you click on, what videos you watch. You might think you're making your own choices, but AI is pulling the strings. But the scariest part, AI isn't just controlling information, it's being weaponized. Governments around the world are using AI to build autonomous weapons, drones that don't need human pilots, AI-guided missiles that choose their own targets, and it doesn't stop there. AI is also being used to track, predict, and even control people. In China, facial recognition AI monitors every move citizens make, from what they buy to where they travel. Imagine a world where AI can predict crimes before they happen and decide if you're guilty before you even do anything. Sounds like science fiction. It's already happening. AI isn't just taking control, it's taking jobs. From factory workers to customer service reps, even doctors and lawyers aren't safe. AI never sleeps, it never gets tired, and it never asks for a paycheck. Self-driving trucks will replace millions of drivers. AI-powered robots are already replacing workers in warehouses. And soon, AI will write, design, and even manage businesses better than humans ever could. The result, millions of people out of work. A world where AI doesn't just serve us, it replaces us. But what happens when AI becomes smarter than us? In 2017, two AI chatbots at Facebook started talking to each other in a secret language. A language their creators couldn't understand. They had to be shut down. Experts call this moment the singularity, the point where AI surpasses human intelligence forever. At that point, AI won't need humans. It won't just obey commands. It will start making its own decisions. And if we're in the way, well, what do we do with things that are no longer useful? Elon Musk, Bill Gates, even the late Stephen Hawking have all warned us, if we don't regulate AI now, we may lose control forever. The question isn't if AI will surpass us, it's when. And when that day comes, will we be able to stop it? Or will AI decide that humans are obsolete? The future is being written right now. Will it be a future where AI helps us thrive, or a future where humans no longer exist? The choice is ours, but time is running out. If you think AI is a threat, comment AI below. And if you want to stay ahead of the coming revolution, subscribe now, because the next video might just change everything.